Hello, thanks for joining. This video is an introduction to the Pattern Shape Designer by Cutgen, a simple and intuitive 2D SVG generator. The Pattern Shape Designer generator can be launched from Cutgen's homepage at cutgen.io. Parameters are selected from the left side menu groups. There are many different options to choose from. When you are finished with your design, you can download to SVG file format. There are 16 different patterns to choose from. 12 different shapes. And 7 backer-style configurations. This generator may appear simple and limited, but there are unlimited designs you can make with this tool. This includes bookmarks, earrings, coasters, a large variety of tags, and keychains to name a few. So, what are you waiting for? Head on over to cutgen.io and sign up for a free account to begin designing your own fresh and unique products. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing.